welcome to my channel. So I made this coaster, but I forgot to film this. However, I first added white resin in the coaster and I let it dry, and after it cured I put the decal and then I poured more resin and then I applied the holographic chunks on the hat and some flowers, and then I top coated it. And now I'm just going to demold this and I will show you how to finish off the sides. So here I'm just going to take my heat gun and heat up the sides, and I'm just going to use my cricut blade to get rid of the sides. Just be very careful while using this. I have been cut while doing this a lot of times before, so just be very careful and make sure that the resin becomes soft, and then you try to get rid of the extra resin on the sides. And then I'm just going to heat it up more to make this resin soft. Now I'm going to take my Dremel and put my attachment. Now I'm just going to get rid of the rough sides just to make it smooth. I mostly sand my pieces under running water so that I can get rid of the extra dust. And now I'm just going to take a sandpaper and make it more smooth. This is my Winsor & Newton gloss varnish, and this is the bronze box by Mrs. Collarberry. I'm going to take her champagne karat gold, and I'm just going to add two small spoons and 2 to 3 small spoons of varnish, and I'm just going to take my brush and mix it properly. I'm making gold for the edges, gold paint. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay, I'm happy with the consistency of the gold paint. Now I'm going to start painting it. I really like all the colors that are in the bronze box by Mrs. Collarberry. Now I'm just going to finish up the sides. Here we go. This is the final look. Now I'm thinking about adding some vinyl coat on this one, as it looks a little bit plain to me. So now I'm going to show you how to add vinyls in resin. So here I'm using my cricut machine and I've put my setting on vinyl. I have cut out the coat and small rolls which I will be adding on the hat. And now I'm just going to start weeding my vinyl. First I'm going to take out the small bits and pieces from the letters. You have to be very careful doing this, because I have destroyed a lot of vinyls like this. Sometimes the letters just come off. Now I'm going to cut the excess vinyl, and very carefully I'm just going to peel off the vinyl. Do not be in a rush, because that way you might spoil the vinyl and you might have to do it again. I'm using both my hands and very carefully peeling off the vinyl, making sure that each and every letter is intact. And we are done. I'm just going to take my transfer tape and tape it on the vinyl and use my cricut tool. And now the vinyl is ready. I'm just going to separate the flower, and here I have done this so that I can take out the excess small bits and pieces from the vinyl that were left. So I have taken some baby wipes and I'm just going to clean the surface before applying the vinyl. You may use rubbing alcohol so that you can get rid of the dust on the piece. And we are ready to apply the vinyl. Very carefully place your vinyl, and you can use a card for this to get rid of the air bubbles, get rid of the excess transfer tape. And now I'm going to use my heat gun. I'm doing the heat gun process so that the vinyl sticks properly to the resin. And here we go. Very easily it peeled off. Here is the vinyl flower. I'm just going to place it on the hat. And now we are ready to top coat it with resin. Before we top coat, I'm going to use this transfer tape on the back of this coaster to protect the back side. This way we don't have to do too much cleanup afterwards, and our piece will be just ready to use. I'm just going to cut the excess, and we are ready to top coat. I have mixed my resin, and now I'm just going to pour on top of it and let it dry overnight. So it has cured overnight, and I'm just going to peel off the backing. For this, I'm going to use my heat gun and heat the excess resin on the back. So as I tried to peel off the backing, it was really difficult. So I took my cricut blade and got rid of the excess resin on the back. easily going to peel off the backing. And finally, my coaster is ready. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, comment, share. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments.